Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how can we align our cell vertically and horizontally, and after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to learn this skill efficiently. Let's dive in. So in this example, I have our data with the double A 69241656 alphabet and numeric. So if I want to align those cells, so I will select all those cells, and within the alignment option, you can see these lines. The top three lines, it is to align the cell vertically. So for example, this is the top line. The cell figure will remain on the top, and if you click this one, it will go to the middle. And if you click the last one, it will take the numeric and alphabet at the bottom of the cell. So these three lines are to align the cells vertically. Let's discuss the bottom three lines. So bottom three lines, the first one is align left if you want the numeric or alphabet to go to the left side, and this one if you want to keep it to the center, and this one if you want to keep it to the right side, so it will take the numerical figure to the right side. If you want to keep it aligned the middle of the cell, I will press this one, it will go to the middle, and I will press this one to bring it to the center to align middle and centrally. So this is how you can align your cell quickly and efficiently. And there are a few shortcuts to align your cells as well. The shortcut keys are Alt H A T to align on the top. And if you want to align in the middle, so I will say Alt H A M. So it will bring the figures in the middle of the cells. And if you align like this one, these three lines left to the left hand side, I'll press Alt H AL, so it will bring the figures to the left hand side. So when you press Alt H, it will show the further shortcuts to align center, line left, line right, top, middle, and the bottom. So this is how you can align your cell in Microsoft Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video.